Bitmakase ex Kumasi Asante Kotoko goalkeeper and captain Danlad Ibrahim Edin Chirimuaba wakoye interview after say ofri Kumasi Asante Kotoko no na wa break silence at the crunch ofri Kumasi Asante Kotoko no or chemu se enye coach Prosper Ogum na oni Ogum still na omo fine. Yes, Danlad akasa asem no na okoso chemu se hwe oni coach ekoye beef na echina woni baabi a obekọ akobobo anaze baby abekwa akoda go a woni coach ni kwa akoye beef no. It doesn't make sense. Also in some day na ebi wo but it got to a time IMC they got a responsible conclusion and ma omo reach agreement nsem a okokan no oni onua TV for and then edin komo just after say about say we free Kotoko and I free Kotoko. Yeah, coach Ogum understands me and knows my capabilities. Again, he knows how I help the team off the pitch. My exit from Kotoko isn't solely Ogum decision. Or say free Kotoko na enye Ogum nkwane che say dey Ogum ka. My decision to quit the club is a joint one with the coach, the IMC, myself. We reached a responsible conclusion and decided it was time for me to leave the club, he told Unia TV. No one knows what transpired before my departure, so they have every right to say anything. But the truth, I have no issue with Coach Ogum. As a player, you never know. You can never have issue with your coaches because you don't know where you will be in the future. And only in some Danlad Eka. So what it means, they say on Coach Ogum, there is no serious issue. And IMC no Coach Ogum and no. They thought say it was a responsible conclusion. Say or they jumedi no or they assume no EBC and ODC. Inti asembia emi achiri echina umbetimi aye juma sane etie no.